Yeah, I am making a video. Hey everybody, it's Dick here. So my son decided to make himself like a Tex-Mex bowl of food for a snack, and I said, "Can you make me a quesadilla?" And he pulls out of the microwave this sad, tired, used tampon of a melty, floppy tortilla thing that he calls a quesadilla. Look at that. Ugh. Let me just open it.
I just got done doing a test. Don't.
You call this a quesadilla, son? Okay. Let's make a quesadilla. Not a quesadilla.
It is.
Potential quesadilla.
To an extent.
Okay.
It's a quesadilla.
No, that's not quesadilla.
I didn't feel like making a quesadilla, okay? I was tired.
But do you know how to make a quesadilla?
Yes!
So,
I know how to make a quesadilla. I just didn't feel like making one.
and there it is. The indictment of youth. Quesadilla, everyone. If you know how to make a quesadilla, tell everyone how to make a quesadilla.
Alright, you get the pan and you get your two ingredients.
What's
flour,
unique about the pan?
non-stick.
Well, it's non-stick, but what else is unique about the pan?
It's small.
No, it doesn't matter. It's dry. There's no oil. You see this sweaty mass of bullshit? Okay? You see that? It's dry. So, what kind of pan?
A dry pan.
A dry pan. Then,
And you get your flour tortillas and your cheese.
flour tortillas and cheese. Now, what do you do next? Do you remember?
You turn on the heat.
Turn on the
to
heat.
Medium.
Oh, no, you want the heat on high for now.
And then you put your tortilla in the pan.
Put your tortilla in the pan. Dry pan.
Oh my god.
Right? Then what?
Then you get your cheese.
You get your cheese.
And you dump it in.
Don't dump it.
You
don't want it over the edge. That's
Dumping
not
right
dumping.
now.
That's not dumping. You're a dump.
You're dumb.
So you put cheese, right?
Mm-hmm.
Around the whole thing. A lot of people make folded quesadillas. That's cheap shit bullshit.
No, I put cheese on everything and then fold it.
No, you don't fold the quesadilla.
There's cheese on both halves.
That's cheap shit. Full quesadilla, full cheese. Notice, I'm not going to fold it. Notice, I have a second tortilla.
Yes, and that's when the cheese gets melty, you put the second tortilla on top.
No.
Yes.
No, not when the cheese gets melty.
Well,
You put it right on top immediately.
no, because then if you do it
So
when
you
it's
can-
melty, it sticks.
It's not going to be melty because there's nothing covering it.
It'll still get melty because there's heat from the bottom. A lot of heat
This
from the bottom.
this second tortilla can act as a cover. It's going to start convecting the heat instead of putting a cover over it. So the second tortilla, and you can press the second tortilla because it's cool to the touch, down onto the cheese and the first tortilla, and you let it cook. How long do you let it cook? Do you reckon?
2 to 3 minutes.
Yeah, I think 2 to 3 minutes is good. You want to watch your heat, right? It's still on full. You want to watch your heat. 2 to 3 minutes. You're not waiting for it to get melty. You're not waiting for it to do this f***ing thing. Okay? Because that's dead. That's a dead thing. It's a dead fish. You're just waiting for it to start warming. Okay? Gets a little squishy. You can check the edges. So you're going to check the edges. When it's, you see how it's getting brown under there? That's when you're ready to flip. Now, I flipped it wrong. Because you hear that sizzling? That's cheese that's falling out. That's it. See it nice and brown? Any browner than that, you're screwed. But now you don't want to press it with your hands because it's hot as hell. But then we let that cook for about maximum 3 minutes, right?
Okay.
You can see it's starting to get melty inside, right?
Yeah.
Now, some people put shit inside their quesadillas, like beans or vegetables or other things other than... That's fine. It's valid. Some people say it's not a quesadilla. I'd say it's a quesadilla. A pure, legit, simple quesadilla with cheese. Look at all that heat. Right? Slide it off onto your plate. Huzzah! See the difference?
Yeah. Come on.
That, and then crispy. See the crisp? You hear the crisp?
You can hear it, but right now it just looks like...
That's good. That's no good.
Whatever.
Don't microwave your quesadillas. You get to eat that one. I'll get to eat that one. I like mine with salsa. If you like that video and you want to see more like them, hit like, share, and subscribe.